Hello friends, welcome to Art Demi. As I have promised, I am making a series of acrylic art painting, but this is something different. Here we will give some textures to the painting and later on we'll do the coloring with acrylic color. So let's start. Here I have taken a round MDF board and chalk powder and fevicol, which I have mixed in same proportion, and with the help of knife I am giving textures to the buildings. Viewers, there are many such videos on acrylic painting which I am posting every 5th day. So watch my channel, watch all the videos, and you can do the painting by your own with very easy techniques. At the end of the video, you will find where to place this artwork and how to frame it. So in every video at the end, I just keep those paintings framed in a proper position and a proper place so that you can get the idea where to place these paintings and how to decorate your home with such beautiful acrylic paintings. If you want the details of the product I have used in this painting, for example chalk powder, fevicol, knives, colors, MDF board, I am giving everything, every description in the description box with the links, so you can purchase from there. Friends, here I have decided to give 2 lampposts, so I just drew these 2 lampposts here and then I have started coloring it. So let's see how to color it now. Here, while making the water, I decided to make or to paint the water undisturbed, so there are no waves, only the shine of the lamppost I'm going to show here. So learn how to do that. Friends, watch till end the final product, the final output of this painting. You can decorate your home with such kind of paintings. It looks very beautiful. For making the shadow of the buildings, I decided to use the ruler, so it will be very straight. So this is a very good idea for beginners to use the ruler and then give the shadow. The painting is looking. It is already textured as well as acrylic. So try this painting and do comment if you like it. Thank you for watching.